Okay, hello guys. Welcome to FlutterFlow competition organized by Nocode Africa and Space. Yeah, it's a very lovely day. I hope it's a lovely day from your end as well. And it's been a while we went live, we had a live class. Yeah, so it's really good to have everyone here again. Afam, welcome. Good evening, Dang. Okay, good evening. Abdullah, good evening. Good afternoon, good evening. Bethan, welcome. Yeah, so it's good to have everyone here. And the competition method is going to be slightly different. Yeah, so yeah, Hicham, well done. Congratulations for joining us from Morocco. Good to have you here. I hope you get to participate in the competition. It's going to be very simple, just front end designs of pre designed UI UX templates. All right. Wow, we're having some very cool people. All right, Edwin Morales. Good morning from Miami. Welcome. Sofiane. I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce your name, but welcome. Thank you very much for joining us. Okay. All right, guys. We're going to start very soon. Let's just try to see how we can. Let's just wait for some other people to join us, so that we can have the competition. All right. Meanwhile, well done to everyone who has been actively participating in the classes, like the pre-recorded classes that I have been putting up on the channel. I hope you're learning and then you're beginning to understand how to properly use FlutterFlow for your mobile and web application development. Okay, so we're going to start very soon. And I think in the next 2 minutes, actually. So we are going to start fully. All right, so if I told you're here, you could just say hi and I will say hi back to you. Yeah, okay. I hope everyone can hear me, actually. I hope I'm not just talking into this microphone and then it's actually not working. I don't know. I just hope it's really working. So please, if you can hear me, just say, yes, I can hear you. Something like that. It will really help because I just have to be sure that this is working. uh, yeah, bedtime stories. Hi, good to have you here. Basically, I'm calling you according to the name that I see here. Yeah, so Margaret, good to have you here. Edwin, thank you very much for letting me know that you can hear me. Bethan, thank you very much too. Abdullah, thank you very much. Gift, welcome. Good to have you here. So, yeah, hi, bedtime stories. Good to have you here too. Okay, so, yes, I really wish that everyone else can also join as well. So, Gifts, thank you very much. Okay, so everyone can hear me, and this is really good. We are going to have a very, I think the live session is just going to be just for me to explain the rules of the competition, and then leave you to your competition. That's it. So we're not going to stay here longer than maybe 20 minutes or 15, 20 minutes, right? Yeah, that's how long the live session will last. Then the remaining sessions will just be you working on your stuff and you will still be on the clock. You have 3 hours. All right, so you have 3 hours to implement as much as you can from what has already been given. So for the people who don't know, this is the document for you to put down your name, right? So I'm going to drop the document for you to put down your name. So if you check the comment section, right? So you will see this link. So you just have to click on it and put down your name. And as soon as you put down your name, I will assign a project to you. Yeah, as soon as you put down your name, I will assign a project to you, and you will be able to start working on it. So this is quite different from what we used to do before. We used to just like work on the same thing, but now I want everybody to work on different things, right? So you'll be graded differently, all right? And the idea is you not really be graded, you will just be qualified for the prize. So we're just going to give data prizes to people we can give data prizes to, right? That's just the way we can appreciate you for for participating, right? Yeah, so that's like the idea. I think in subsequent scenarios, we will have FlutterFlow really sponsor this competition. This is not like the top-notch competitions, because this competition is for our the students from cohort 3, and they just started learning. So we're not making this competition to be like super, right? So when we want to organize like the coolest competition, we will inform FlutterFlow, who happens to be our official sponsor, and then they will be available to provide some prices like free pro plans, right, for the people that do very well, right? So, but for this particular one, we're just going to flex our muscles, right? Your design muscles on FlutterFlow, yeah. Okay, so it's going to be tough. No, it's not going to be tough. You're not going to do backend. I think backend is like way difficult. So you're not doing backend. You're just going to do. Yes, you have 3 hours to work on it, right? So, then okay. Afam, I'm so sorry about this. I shouldn't be laughing at it. I'm not laughing at it at all. Okay, so sorry about it. Try to see how you can fix yourself up. Okay, but well, a lot of things can be done in 10 minutes. Like you can achieve a lot of designs in 10 minutes, depending on how fast you are. Maybe if you're Flash. Okay, okay, so success, welcome. Igwe, welcome. Okay, so I think I've greeted everyone. Kalechi, welcome. Uh, Desire, welcome. Um, yes, Edwin, it's just going to be user interface. Yeah. So click on the link in the comment section. You'll see the link. It's a Google spreadsheet. So click on it. You'll have to put your name on it, right? So you just have to put your name on it. So please put your name on it, and I will provide you with what you're supposed to work on. Yes. So in fact, let me just paste it at once. So we have this. No, not that one. Okay, so we don't have a lot of projects to work on, but these are really cool stuff that you'll be working in. So I'm just gonna paste a couple. So yeah, so okay, so that's it. Please try to put your name on the spreadsheet, and then you will see the link. I'm going to share my screen very soon just to explain a little bit more about what is expected of you. Yes. What Afam is saying right now is very important to us. So just a way of supporting us, please subscribe to the channel and then like the video, because when you like the video, it's going to help us get to reach more people, right? So yeah, so just try to like the video, because when you like the video, YouTube's algorithm will say, oh, this is a great video, and it's going to show more people, and like that we will be able to reach more people. Yeah, so please try to like the video, and thank you very much, Afam, for saying this. Afam said my name is Barry Allen. Okay, so okay, it's just UI. You guys can do it. Yes. Bethan is waiting for everyone here. So yeah, so Bethan was from the cohort 2, and they had to do backend in their competitions in 1 hour. Yeah, so this is quite easy. I just want you to try out your hands-on designs. Then it will encourage you and make you feel like super proud of yourself, because in the subsequent classes, the subsequent tutorials that I will be posting on the channel, they will be mostly about backend. I just dedicated this period to focus on front end, so you can just understand how to create a lot of things, right? So let's see, we're going to start now. Yes, we're starting right now. So I'm going to share my screen and then explain the competition. All right, so I'm sharing my screen right now, and I will explain the competition. Great. So this is it. And this is the document that I had shared on the comment section of the YouTube channel. So you can just find the link, all right, and then you will see this document. All you just need to do is put down your name, submission. So let me just quickly put this. This is where you submit. So you have to create the web version. That's do web publishing so that you can paste the link here when you're done. Right. So I will just click here and put this here. I think this should be just green. It should be different from the rest. So yes, just go ahead, and then there's no specific grading. It's just that it's a pass or fail. Okay, no, yeah, pass or fail, or good or bad. So, but we will just qualify you here. Yeah, so we will do some grading here, but you just submit the link here and we get to see what you've done. So for this particular one, all credit goes to the person who designed this. It's a free file from the Figma community, and so we are allowed to use it. All right, so full credit to Yamesh. Yamesh. So I think Yamesh designed this, and so all the designs that we're using in the competition is from Yamesh, right? So so you can just click to use it, and all you just need to do is click the link. When you click on it, it's open, and then you can click on open in Figma, and it will ask you to choose if you have multiple accounts. So I will just choose the one I can use, and now you will get to wait for a couple of seconds and you will see the designs. Like, so here, this is a thumbnail. You leave the thumbnail, go to design. All right, so when you go to design, you will see what you need to do. So these are the onboarding screens, or you don't have to design all of this, just pick one of it. This is like the splash screen, just pick one of it, and then this is the main designs, right? So this is what I want you to pay attention to. So you'll be designing this, then this, like you design everything that you see here. All of this will be done in 3 hours. So all of these are not things that you should focus your mind on, right? So the only thing you just get to do is this. Okay, so yeah, just focus on these particular designs, right? That's for the people that are working on this. Just focus on just this. You can pick, if you didn't like this particular splash screen, you can pick any of this, right? So but the idea is just implement this. Okay, and that's for this particular one. So let's try the next one. Let me close this so I don't have too much tabs. Let's go to the Lyft taxi booking app. So still credits goes to full credit goes to Yamesh. You click to open in Figma and choose the account you want to use to open the file, and then you will see the design. Now this is quite bigger, like the Lyft part. This is, people that are working on this will find it a bit easier to finish up. Yeah, but the guys that are working on Lyft, you go to UI screens, and there are lots of things. So I don't want you to don't work on these ones, right? Not really necessary. I don't want you to pay attention to this one. So because this and this should go together, but I just want you to focus on only the mobile application, right? So the people working on the lifts, just pay attention to just the mobile screens. All right. So these are the mobile screens. Focus on the mobile screens and implement them. Okay. All right. So you will be able to see the widgets that you need to use for these things. Okay. So then for this one, the furniture application, it's the same thing. All you just need to do is focus on the mobile application side of things, right? So this is just mobile application as well. Okay, so I'm just trying to see how I can explain how you can go about this. So it's just for you to replicate what are in these designs, and then you just replicate them in FlutterFlow. All right. Okay, so I'm just waiting for this to load up so that you can see it. While this is loading up, let me just open another one. This is, which one did I click on? Okay, that was the furniture. Let's click on the butcher. And then after that, I think that's it. Yeah, the rest is just repetition. Okay, so butcher, click on this. Yeah, so the butcher is a website. Yeah, so I want you to, for the butcher part, it's just a website, so you can work on the website. So this is the furniture application. So just go to main designs and you see the mobile applications. There are lots of screens. You're not expected to finish all of them except your, splash. Oh, no, not splash, flash. Yeah, so if I told you a flash, you can try to like finish everything, but just try to finish the screens that you can finish. Okay, work on as many as possible. All right. But these are the onboarding screens. Work on them. Don't work on just work on the ones you can work on. All right. But see what you can achieve in 3 hours. Okay. And what really matters is your participation. Then the butcher. Go to the main design, and you will see the butcher here is a web page, right? So these are web pages. So uh, it's more complex to design multiple web pages, so just design as much as you can. Yeah, so just start with this one, and then maybe this one and this one. Just design as much as you can, right, within 3 hours. After 3 hours, I will lock this sheet and you won't be able to submit again. So best thing I can say you should do is when you start working on your project, go ahead and do web publishing, right? Web publishing, and then after that, just paste the link here and keep on updating your web published link, right? So yeah, that's like the way around it. Okay, so that's like the idea. Uh okay, so these are all the assigned designs, so you can just work on it and enjoy yourself. So that's it so far, and I hope that you find this like exciting and interesting to participate. It to just help you flex your muscle with regards to your design skills within FlutterFlow. That's all the explanation I needed to give, and I hope that you're going to be super excited to work on this. Okay, so maybe I had the same like delete the cookies. And okay, someone said my FlutterFlow is not opening. Please try to clear your cookies cache and ensure that you have. Well, sometimes you might just need to install a VPN. I don't know why it happens like that. I will have to report this situation to FlutterFlow. I have to submit this report to FlutterFlow so they can work on it. All right, so yeah. Okay, so someone is saying 3 hours is too small. Okay, so let's make it 5 hours then. 5 hours. I hope it doesn't make you lazy. I just want a decision whereby you know that 3 hours is 3 hours, so it's extended. So you have 5 hours to work on it, right? So just try to see how much you can implement in 5 hours. And the cool stuff about this is when you're done with these, you indirectly now have a portfolio. Okay, so when you finish this, it's a win-win for you. You now have a portfolio. You've created something within FlutterFlow that you can show to a client, that you can show to someone else, right? So this is it. So try to see how you can make the most out of it. So you have 5 hours. 5 hours, like five like this. Great. So all right. So yes, you can always have access to the Figma file. The Figma file is provided for free on Figma community, right? Yeah, full credit to Yamesh. Yes. So okay. All right. Let me see. Yeah, Joy. The competition is quite easy for them. All right. So okay. And Joy, I hope you are participating. I want everyone to participate, both the guys in cohort 2 and the guys in cohort 3. I just want everyone to participate actively. Okay, so the how do I enlarge the page I want to work on? Okay, I don't understand the question. Okay, so let me share my screen again. Let me quickly share my screen again. Please pay attention, everyone. Okay, so the idea is this, right? When you open like the butcher's page, when you click to open it, it's to open like this. So you just need to click on open in Figma. It is expected that you have an account on Figma. If you don't, it will ask you to create one. So simply create one. And then when you click it, you will see this. This is the first thing that you see. And you need to go to the main design. And this is it. I believe that's what you meant by how to expand your screen. Yeah, so the same thing with everyone else, every other design. Just go ahead and click on open in Figma, and then you will see every single thing here. All right, guys. Okay, so that will be it. And we are 20 minutes in, and we have 5 minutes before the live session goes off, right? Yeah, because the live session was just for you to have an idea of what to work on. We're not going to wait to uh, do every single thing here during the live session. We just wanted to like give you like a briefing on what to do. Okay. Let's see. It's for everyone, and it's for everyone. So the names on the sheets were written by people. I didn't put down the names there. We didn't put down the names. So all you just need to do is put down your own name, and then beside it you'll see the project working. All right. So that's like the idea. Please try to put down your name on the sheet and then work on it. By sheet I mean spreadsheet. All right. Okay. All right, Abdullah, I hope you've gotten the explanation. Yeah, Jay, it's good to have you here. Um, okay, so let's hit the ground running. Okay, so I think we're done. Like we're done with the explanation. So let's get everything running. So we have like some spaces. So all right, so please try to see how you can put down your name and start working. We've already started, and the competition will last for 5 hours. So that means we're starting by 3. We're starting by 3:22. Okay, technically we started by 3 because I had already put down the design. So 3 o'clock. So 5 hours is 8 p.m. All right. So 8 p.m. GMT plus 1. The spreadsheet will be closed. You won't be able to submit again after 8 p.m. GMT plus 1. That's 5 hours from now. So just turn on your stopwatch, and then no, you're not adding functionality. You're just designing it, developing it on FlutterFlow. No functionality, no backend, no query, no Firebase. So when you're creating the account and then you're asked to set up Firebase, just skip that particular process. Just skip it. Okay. So we're just focusing on just the designs, right? Abdullah, I can see your question. No, none of the projects requires you to design everything. So just see how much you can design in 5 hours. That's just what I want to see. I want to see how much you can design, how fast you can design in 5 hours. So if you can design everything, great work. If you can design just 2 screens, great work too. But just try to see how you can do the most. All right. Okay. So that's like the idea. Okay. So I think we are done. And I wish you guys all the best in the designs. And if at all you're not a member of our WhatsApp community, right? So I will drop the link for you to register. It's free, so I'm just dropping the link now. So you just join us on WhatsApp. That's where you get to have lots of information. No code scholarship. So Nocode scholarship. Yeah. So if at all you've not joined us on WhatsApp, just click the link, the link that I just dropped. It's on the comment section, and just click on it, fill the form, and remember to click on either of the WhatsApp links and join the WhatsApp group. Okay. So that's how you have access to it. So I don't know, Morales. I don't know if at all you are in our WhatsApp group. So particularly saying this because of you and the other guy from Morocco. Right. So if at all you want to join the WhatsApp group, you can just join the WhatsApp group. Okay. So have a great time designing, guys. So this is going to be a beautiful weekend. And after the 5 hours, I will lock the screen, the sheet, the spreadsheet, so you won't be able to edit it again. So endeavor to put your web published link of your project on the document. Okay, good luck with the competition, and see you later. All right. Bye for now. If you have any questions, just drop the questions as a comment. I will still see them. Then I will respond in real time. Okay? Okay. All right. Have a great time, guys.